All right, guys. So we got a Dodge Ram here. Customer brought it in for misfire and tick noise while running. Most common deal with these, you can have spark plugs, injectors, stuff like that. But the Hemi normally has a camshaft issue or a lifter issue. So what we did was we tore it down to the point we're at right now to inspect, and we did find an issue with one of the lifters. All right, so as you can see, the discoloration on this lifter roller. Normally they lock up to where they do not roll anymore, but this one has still motion. So it started eating into the camshaft, which is causing the discoloration. Now a regular lifter looks like this. You can see it still rolls just good and it's shiny. All right, so since we know our cause of the noise and the misfire, we have decided to go ahead and send the cylinder heads off to the machine shop, have those resurfaced, have the valve job redone, and stick a new camshaft in it, and should be good to go after that.